Hello viewer, in this video I will introduce you with the tools of Photoshop. So here are some tools we can find it. So there is a designs. We can create these designs here. 5 points star here. Also use the computer eye. There it is. And stamp edges. Let's take the other tool. Here we can find. Here's a circular rainbow here. I will go back to the background and then apply the circular rainbow. Change the color for the circular rainbow. Here we will find it. Use that one. Solid here. We will make the design in this way. Make it okay. Thank you.